Every time your phone finds a song or your Maps app picks a route, a hidden plan is doing the work. That plan is called an algorithm. Think of it as a recipe a computer follows exactly. A good algorithm has 4 things: a clear start, exact steps, a strict order, and a definite end. Leave any of those out and the recipe falls apart, just like forgetting to preheat the oven. Look at making a cup of tea. Boil water, add the bag, pour, wait 3 minutes, remove the bag. Each step must come in that exact order. Pour before boiling, and you get lukewarm water with a tea bag in it. Every algorithm takes an input, runs through its steps, and produces an output. Give a sorting algorithm a messy playlist, and it hands back a tidy one. Same steps, different data, different result every time. Algorithms are everywhere. Your Maps app, your music suggestions, the ATM, even the filter keeping spam out of your inbox. Each one is a different set of step-by-step rules, solving a specific problem. A vague recipe leaves too much to guessing. A computer cannot guess, so an algorithm must be completely specific. Exact numbers, exact conditions, no room for interpretation. That precision is what makes it usable by a machine. An algorithm is simply a precise, step-by-step recipe for solving a problem. Every app on your phone runs one. Next, we look at how humans actually write these recipes in a language the computer can read.